discuss about the names of different red-colored fruits. Apple, apple. Watermelon, watermelon. Strawberry, strawberry. Cherry, cherry. Pomegranate, pomegranate. Raspberry, raspberry. Dragon fruit, dragon fruit. Cranberry, cranberry. Red globe, which are also a kind of grapes. Red globe, grapes. Red berries, red berries. And lastly, lychee, lychee. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know the names of so many different red-colored fruits. And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.